Look at the smoke. Is this a Gnelf?
Yeah, Gnome.
Oh, it's Gnome. All right. Gnome! Launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Wow, look at the smoke. That smoke you're smoking. Oh, nice.
It sure is.
That smoke is...
No, still didn't get an altitude. I don't think it went 200 feet. Didn't activate it.
2, 1.
Four, three, two, one, blast off. Been there, done that.
Yeah, you got your more...
Five, four, three, two, one, blast off.
Whoa!
Been there, done that.
Okay, you got any more popcorn left?
That was an E12.
E12.
Wow. Whoa! That is one heck of a scar on the airframe. One more scar onto the old airframe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yep.
Whoa!
That
is one heck of a scar on the airframe.
E12. I'm getting a new rocket.
We're getting a new rocket!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the ring! Look at that ring! Wow!
I've never seen that before.
It's just like a Minuteman ring.
Yeah.
And when they launched the Minuteman missile.
Holy smoke.
Holy smoke is... one heck of a scar on the... 3, 2, 1. Well, you got a blue chute, man.
Yep, go for launch.
Ready? What is this called?
Blue Star Voyager.
Blue Star Voyager. Off to the Delta Quadrant in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Awesome.
Oh, you got a blue chute, man.
I know.
All right. Oh, things are good. Oh,
Reverse stuck the landing.
Yeah. 1.
Got mine here, and there's Gary's.
2, 3, 4, 5. I had ideas. We did the clay thing. It's important.
Good job.
All right. On 6. Spaceship 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, better.
Well, I had ideas. We have a pole.
Yeah, in the street.
All right.
3, 2, 1, lift off.
Wow. You know, for something called the Screamin, it did a little bit of a less than a Screamin.
It went wishing.
Yeah, but it did do a flying. It's less of a Screamin and more of a flying. I don't know if that's a long enough shot cord or it's too aerodynamic, too small for that.
Well,
yeah,
Why?
good construction though.
Go for lunch.
Sky is clear, range is clear. Continuity is so-so. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
It worked. So good. You know, I really feel like this is rocket yoga because
Yeah, I know.
we really do the stretching. We just got to get on the yoga. Yeah.
It's the smoke dance. That's how we call the smoke monster to Hawaii.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, blast off.
Nice. Watch out. Heads up.
Clear, range is clear. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Let's see. A lot of paper though.
Yeah.
One is coming down fast and one is coming down slow.
Probably because that bird.
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
Four, 3, 2, 1. All right.
Yep, go for lunch.
It's another E12, so I have Ear Pro in. All right. Expedition into debris in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's a weird Cato. It looked just like a perfect flight.
Yeah. Yep. Hard landing, but that's okay. All right. Looks like it had a pretty big bounce, but it looks like it's perfectly fine. Just a little bit of structural damage there from the impact, but fixable.
4, 3, 2, 1, blast off.
It's away.
It's up.
Heads up!
Intensify forward firepower.
Ready to shoot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When did you make this rocket?
These are like 4 years ago.
Yeah, you made the Biohazard during COVID?
I know, right?
Shame.
It survived.
All right, dark sense of humor launching in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that was fast.
Yeah, ooh, that's a cloud right there.
D12-5. Missed the trees. All right. Conceivable damage? No, it was a pretty big chute.
3, 2, 1, go. What's the over-under in it just going left?
Depends on if both of them light or not.
Yeah, I know. Well, what are we betting on? Are we betting on it going left, right, or up? Because
Up.
that is totally an option. We're
Up.
betting on up. Of course we are. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Yeah.
It went up.
They look good.
We should make a bigger one of those and call it the Doomslayer. So
you can imagine that if that happened on your helmet.
yeah, that's a. So how spicy did you make that pizza, Gary? Can you get like a profile view of the how much that bent?
That's a spicy tamale.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the only thing I saw going down was the slug, the propelling slug.
Well, I mean, it hit off of the rail guide, so it's probably that metal retainer cap that hit there.
Oh.
And then it had that big old at the top. Well, that's why we have those. Yeah.